How to recover Phantom Wallet with seed phrase. As you can see over here, this is my Phantom Wallet account. So if I tap on its icon, the interface of the Phantom Wallet will look something like this. Over here, you just have to tap on the I agree to the terms and conditions, and here you have enabled create a new wallet option. But since you want to recover your Phantom Wallet with the seed phrase that you have, you need to tap on I already have a wallet. Now it will ask you whether you want to use the device authentication feature. So if you want to use it, then you can tap on the toggle button, and after that you just have to simply authenticate it. But for this video, I'm gonna keep it as unselected. So once you have done that, you just have to simply tap on the next button in the bottom. Now on the next page, it will ask you to import a wallet. So you have three options to import the wallet. First, with the help of the secret phrase, second with the help of the private key, and third with the help of the hardware wallet. So if you have a seed phrase, select the first option, and here you need to type the seed phrase that you have. It can be a 12 or the 24 words of the secret recovery phrase. So you just have to simply type that and tap on the import secret phrase option. Then you will be logged in into your Phantom Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.